Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure gig work with Snagajob, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure gig work with Snagajob, begin by downloading the Snagajob app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account using your email address. Provide the required personal information including your name, phone number, and location. Next, complete your profile by adding your work experience and skills. Make sure to upload a professional photo that reflects your personality. Set your job preferences, including desired jobs, pay rate, and availability. Browse available gig work by exploring categories that interest you. Use the search function to find specific job titles or locations. Read job descriptions carefully to understand the requirements and responsibilities. When you find a gig that interests you, click on it to view additional details. If you're ready to apply, tap the Apply button. Customize your application by adding a brief message explaining why you're a great fit for the job. After submitting your application, monitor your notifications for any updates from employers. Be prepared for potential interviews, and practice common interview questions. Stay proactive by checking back frequently for new listings that match your skills. Engage with peers or join local groups to learn tips on securing gigs. Utilize the in-app resources for any questions about the application process. Once you land a gig, communicate clearly with the employer regarding expectations and hours. Lastly, after completing your gig, consider leaving feedback for both the employer and the experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.